Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to spend the night in a $5 hostel in Hoi An. Hoi An is one of the most beautiful towns in Vietnam, and it's located in the middle next to Da Nang, which is where we're living now. And it's only about a 40-minute drive to there. We're actually going down there because there is a free yoga festival for Yoga Day. I only have 2 other hostel experiences. One was in Vietnam on the red light district in Ho Chi Minh, and one was in a very posh hostel in Singapore. So I don't have much experience with hostels, but all I know is that it's $5 and there's free breakfast, and it's right in the middle of Hoi An, right downtown where everything is. So you can't beat that. So let's see what I packed. Before I show you what I packed, I will mention we are only going for 1 day. However, we might stay for a second night because I was invited to this beach party in Hoi An, but we haven't really decided if we're gonna stay or not. So I did overpack even for 2 days, but that's just who I am, so. Okay, so let's see what we've got. I've got my towel because they charge extra for towels, face mask, underwear, basic necessities like brush, makeup, face spray, makeup remover, sunscreen, and deodorant. I have 1, 2, 3 outfits, 2 sleep outfits, but this can also be another outfit if I want to use that for yoga. And if we decide to go to the beach club, I brought a bathing suit. Just a bag with a towel inside. This will be what I use to sit on at the yoga festival. Super cute. Me. And my tripod and my book bag. And that's it. Oh, and I saw the pillows are super flimsy, so I'm going to try to stuff this in there if it fits. Her name is Paige. Now, I know this bag went viral a little bit ago, but if you're a traveler, you absolutely need it. Some of the things that go viral aren't actually necessary, but this one is. Like, this book bag is the best thing I've ever gotten. It has a laptop carrier. It has a laptop carrier. This department is absolutely massive. You can stuff so much in there. There's a little hidden pocket. Charger can go in here, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more. You can stuff everything in here. Watch. I put all my clothes into this bag. Now, that looks like it's not gonna fit anything else, but watch me. Oh my gosh, I totally just forgot to pack toothpaste, my charger, and my portable charger. This is why I have a packing list. Also, if you want my packing list, I put it on my website, so go check that out. And you're thinking, there's no way anything else could fit in here, right? Wrong. And that's everything. That book bag is seriously a lifesaver. If you want the same bag, I have it in my Amazon storefront below. All that's left to do right now is just wait for Isaac to get back from physical therapy and then get in our car that we already booked ahead of time and get to Hoi An. So I will see you soon. We're at Peanuts in Hoi An. This is a vegetarian place. We got black rice with vegan orange chicken. This is, I think this is the tofu balls in soy lime sauce, tofu balls in marinara, and eggplant stew. And all of this plus each coffee is gonna cost about $5 each. Not bad. It's a feeling that I know some of you already know that I plan people's travels for them, so you're probably wondering, why would I go to a $5 hostel? Well, I am a full-time traveler, and sometimes we need just another extra step of adventure, so we decided to go to the cheapest hostel we could find, not look up any reviews, and well, this is what we got. but don't worry, I plan much better travel trips than this. So we made it to Hoi An. We checked into our $5 hostel. I didn't record much in the hostel because people were sleeping, but I mean, it's not bad. What do you think?
$5 hostel.
Oh, and it comes with free breakfast. So all I know is that you have to turn on the hot water to take a shower. It didn't come with a lock. It did not come with a lock. Isaac had to rent one for $50K deposit, which is $2. I think you get your money back though. Yeah. So far so good. We have not slept in it. We haven't ate our breakfast, but we'll see. Now we are heading to the Hoi An yoga festival for summer solstice, so let's check that out. As usual, we didn't exactly know what we were getting into. We just saw a post on Facebook that Mood Hoi An was hosting a free yoga festival for Yoga Day. So, of course, we decided to go. Isaac swore it started at 3 p.m., but it didn't start till 3:30, so we were the first ones there. But we were greeted in, told to take off our shoes, and then they gave us a free goodie bag. Like I said, we didn't know what we were getting into, but we were not expecting it to be this beautiful. Okay, show me what you got.
Smells amazing.
What is it?
No idea. Smell it?
Oh my gosh. Tea?
Maybe
Wow.
something to put into your suitcase?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Comes with mala as well.
Wow.
Amazing.
Let me see. We started the day by writing down what we were grateful for the gratitude tree, and then we headed off to a workshop on how to balance life. I really loved this workshop because it made me realize that I am working way too much and I need to start balancing in my health, so we wrote down some goals in order to do that. And then we learned the basics of meditation and a few different meditation methods. And then we headed off to our first yoga session. This was a light yoga. I do yoga every day, but for some reason I was still just kind of out of it. I think it was the heat. Hoi An was a lot hotter than Da Nang is. And then after that we had dinner, and I felt like I was the queen of the table because I was sitting at the end. But they served such a delicious meal. I don't know how all of this was so free. We kept saying they were giving us so much and they weren't really asking for anything in return. And then after that, we headed off to the next session, which was a deep meditation, and then on to kirtan. And this was the reason that we came, because we miss kirtan so much. It's something that Vietnam doesn't have much of, or at least not as much as Bali did. So we really, really miss that. So this was just like a breath of fresh air. And then afterwards they wanted interviews, but I kind of skirted out real quick because I didn't want to I didn't want to give an interview because I am very shy, believe it or not. And then afterwards, I was finally able to show Isaac downtown in Hoi An at night. And it is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Okay, update from last night. When we got back at nighttime, I went to open up my locker. My lock got stuck in their little locker thing, and I had to pull it, and the metal, it was like really sharp on the handle, so it cut me. And Isaac's AC wasn't on at night, so he slept in the heat. So we decided to stay in Hoi An because we love it, but we didn't want to stay at the hostel again, so we just checked out and we got into a $12 hotel. So only $1 more per person, and look what we got for $12. This place is massive. Look at this bed. It does have AC and 2 fans. A huge space, fridge, a balcony. You can see the pool. And let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so tiny little bathroom, but not bad. You cannot beat that for $12 and only $6 per person. Oh, and I guess I'm gonna have to go get a tetanus shot tomorrow because the metal that I cut myself on was rusty. Very swing.
You did good, baby.
Yeah. You are good.
And now you get a lollipop.
Come on.
Not so bad, huh? That needle went all the way in there.
She's good. So I just got back from getting my tetanus shot. That was an experience in itself. If you look up Hoi An Hospital, it's a pretty sketchy hospital, especially if you're used to American hospitals. I don't know a single person that would have allowed them to give them a vaccine, but I did. Also, the fact that they knew zero English, which is fine, we're in their country. However, trying to make sure they knew which shot I needed and hoping that they were actually giving me a tetanus shot was a hassle. So I was like, let me see the box. I'm a nurse. I know I need a tetanus shot. It's been 6.5 years and you're supposed to get it. But I was like, let me see the box because I need to know which shot you're actually giving me. Luckily, I'm pretty sure I got the tetanus shot. I don't know, honestly. But they did very good. They were very nice. It cost me $300, which is about $12, so not bad at all. But yeah, not worth it for a $5 hostel because I ended up paying $12 more on top of that and I could have had a really nice hotel. Sometimes budget travel is not the move. Also, I just thought this was kind of funny. They told me it was $500,000, but I bargained my vaccine price and I got it for $300,000. Also, don't forget to check out my website below. I've got my packing list that's free to you guys. I also have all my travel must-haves linked there and my price list if you want me to plan your travels. If you're too busy to plan your own travels, I got you. I can do it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.